Every day around the world, Nalco Water provides water, hygiene, and infection prevention solutions that protect people and our most vital resources. In the global chemical sector, water is an essential lifeline, touching all aspects of production. Today, chemical manufacturing is one of the world's most water-intensive industries, requiring over 100 trillion gallons of water per year. That's more than 3 million gallons every second. By 2030, water scarcity will affect 70% of the global economy. Growth within the chemical industry and increasing global water, energy, carbon, and waste stress are accelerating the demand for leading-edge sustainability solutions. For over 90 years, Nalco Water has been a trusted partner to the global chemical industry. From nitrogen processing to industrial gas, midstream to primary olefins, polymers, derivatives, and more, Nalco Water continues to set the pace with innovative solutions for the industry's broad and evolving needs. And today, Nalco Water becomes an even bolder partner. Combining unparalleled water and process expertise with digitally enabled solutions, Nalco Water delivers better insights at the enterprise level and an integrated customer offering that drives bigger results, increased productivity, profitability, and sustainability. With innovative technologies to help our industrial partners meet their increasingly ambitious safety, business, and ESG goals, Nalco Water is ready to continue transforming the chemical industry for generations to come. Nalco Water for the global chemical industry. Bolder partner, better insights, bigger results.